I'm Dental Compare publisher Noah Levine, and I'm here at the CDA Presents San Francisco 2017 event at the Air Techniques booth with product manager John Newman, and he's here to tell us all about their brand new ScanX Intraoral View digital radiography system. John, can you tell me a little bit about what this new innovation is?
Sure. So this is the ScanX Intraoral View. It's our newest addition to the product family within our ScanX portfolio. And the unique feature of our units are its ability to scan multiple plates at a time. So this gives the enhanced workflow in the practice, doing a full mouth series in under 2 minutes. And it's a 4-track system, which allows you to scan anywhere from 0 to 4 as far as the intraoral plates are concerned simultaneously. We're going to be able to connect to the practice with an Ethernet connection, or we also have the availability to connect it wirelessly with Wi-Fi. So that gives us the flexibility of really placing it anywhere in the practice. We have a color touchscreen on here that gives the user a very easy and intuitive way to interact with the system. It's going to connect to our third-party imaging softwares via our existing Twain interface, and it gives us the ability to apply filters within that interface to really bring out the diagnostic quality of it. Some of the top image quality coming out of this is going to be 20 line pair per millimeter. So we're very excited about the product, and it's really going to help us move forward with our digital product line.
What type of practice is really going to see this as something that can take them to the next level?
Anybody that's dealing with pediatric, anybody that's dealing with geriatric patients, if you have those patients in your population, you'll sometimes struggle with film or direct sensors and placing and getting those images correctly. So our thin, flexible phosphorus storage plates are reusable. They go into a one-time use barrier envelope, and they're used over and over again. Anybody that has pronounced tori or that may have gag reflexes, again, a thin phosphorus storage plate gives the patient comfort.
And you mentioned you can fit up to 4 of your plates in at a time.
Yes.
Does it automatically scan through and then send those images right to your software?
Yes, it will. So as soon as we activate the scanner directly on the scanner or on the acquisition computer in the operatory, it's going to allow us to start inputting the plates through. So we'll be able to do 4 at a time.
If you don't happen to have a computer monitor in the room with this system, can you still make use of the scans right away?
Yes, you can. So unlike our other scanners that are in our portfolio that operate with a USB connection, this is going to be a network drop directly to the unit, or it can go directly to the computer if you wanted an acquisition computer there with an Ethernet cable, or we're giving you the availability to use the Wi-Fi built into it.
Wonderful. Are there any other unique features or new innovations that people really need to know about this one?
So it's very easy to use. The touchscreen is very intuitive, and we're going to be able to do any imaging needs that the practice can do with high diagnostic image quality.
If a practice is currently using film, how difficult would it be for them to change over and start using the ScanX Intraoral?
That's a great question, and that's one of the huge advantages of a phosphorus storage plate scanner, specifically the ScanX. We are mimicking the workflow of film. We're just speeding up the entire process, keeping the lights on. This is done in normal office daylighting conditions.
John, can you show me how we would make use of the system once the plate's been exposed?
Sure. So once the plates are exposed, we take them out of the transfer box, and we take our plate guide. We take the exposed plate, put it in like so, and now we're going to put it back on the scanner and simply push it down. And we're going to see an example or a preview of the image as it's being scanned, so the user is going to be able to know if they took the exposure correctly. And if we were scanning all 4, the lane indicators are going to tell us which track is currently in use and which one is ready for another plate. As we're scanning it, we're also erasing it. So when it drops out, it's fully erased, ready for another exposure.
Wonderful. If people want to find more information about this, where can they go?
So they can go to our website, airtechniques.com. We have our page loaded up with all the materials to download, and you'll be able to see some of the image quality that we're displaying with it, as well as any of the pertinent marketing information.
Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for telling us all about the ScanX Intraoral View.
Appreciate it.